This weekend I have gone through a lot of old films and pictures to see what I can use for upcoming things I'm building. And the way of just finding things that I even don't remember I have in my clouds. To see myself how I looked for 1, 2, 3, 4, even up to 10 years ago, it's so huge difference. And that old content, when I can give it a new frame, and that makes me that makes me go back and see what a new chance I've got in life. You see, about a year ago, I didn't even think I'm gonna survive. Sometimes it makes me feel of all those women out there who doesn't survive. And when I think back to that, I get sad. But at the same time, I have taught myself the last couple of months that if I keep up and if I always put out those tools I have made for myself, and then I can go on and I can take the things I've learned and just go on. And I feel so much gratitude for that I've given this new chance of life to rebuild everything new again and to see all this wonderful, beautiful content I have from the past. It's fun because it's creating a lot of good memories, and that's just what I need. And just to begin to believe again, to see the future, what I want to do, what I want to be, but also persistence in always keep going, no matter how hard it is. Just trust the process, as I always say, trust the process. And in this content, you see me. I think I'm talking about it's cold outside and I'm waiting for the bus to come and get me. And just to be able to take that old content and do something new of it. That's creativity, and that's good for everything in the body. So if you are one of those who feel that it's no idea, I don't know how to go on, keep going, keep going. Doesn't matter how long you do it, keep going and do it over and over, because one day you have walked over that part of life that is hard, and you're gonna make it no matter what. You're gonna make it. So I keep doing, and I hope you do the same. If you haven't heard this today, I do love you so much. Bye for now.